Welcome to my garden, or as I like to call it, my personal jungle gym. Here, the tomatoes are the kings and the cucumbers are the jesters. Let's dive in and see why growing your own food is not just healthy, but also a lot of fun. This verse reminds us of the incredible gift we've been given, a world brimming with life and the potential for sustenance. Audrey Hepburn once said, "To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow," and isn't that a beautiful sentiment? Today we're diving into why you should consider growing your own food, backed by research. We'll explore the tangible benefits, from health and finances to the environment, and uncover the profound ways gardening can enrich your life. Let's be real, we all know fresh fruits and vegetables are good for us. But did you know that produce starts losing nutrients the moment it's picked? When you grow your own food, you're getting the maximum nutritional punch. Plus, you control what goes into your soil, opting for organic practices. You're cultivating a healthier, more vibrant you. Grocery shopping can feel like a gut punch to your wallet these days. But what if I told you there's a way to eat fresh, delicious food while keeping more money in your pocket? Enter home gardening. Think about it. Seeds are significantly cheaper than a carton of strawberries, and a single tomato plant can yield pounds of juicy fruit throughout the season. And the savings go beyond the produce itself. When you rely less on grocery stores, you're automatically cutting back on transportation costs, packaging, and those impulse buys that mysteriously end up in your cart. We all share a responsibility to protect our planet, and here's a powerful way to do your part. Grow your own food. Industrial agriculture is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, from transportation and packaging to deforestation and harmful farming practices. When you choose to garden, you're opting for a more sustainable system. You're reducing your carbon footprint, minimizing waste, and supporting local ecosystems. Plus, composting food scraps provides nutrient-rich fertilizer, closing the loop on food production and reducing landfill waste. Chapter 4. Cultivating Independence Food Security in Uncertain Times. Remember the empty grocery store shelves during the early days of the pandemic? It was a stark reminder of our food system's vulnerability. Growing your own food provides security and self-reliance. Take control of your food supply, ensuring access to fresh, nutritious food. Chapter 5. Dig in and thrive. The physical and mental benefits of gardening. Who needs a gym membership when you have a garden? Okay, maybe that's a bit of an exaggeration, but gardening really is a fantastic form of exercise. From digging and planting to weeding and harvesting, gardening engages a variety of muscle groups, improving strength, flexibility, and cardiovascular health. But the benefits go beyond the physical. Studies have shown that spending time in nature reduces stress, lowers blood pressure, and improves mood. Chapter 6. Finding your inner peace, the therapeutic power of nature. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel disconnected from nature and ourselves. Gardening offers a sanctuary, a place to reconnect with the natural world and find a sense of peace and tranquility. The simple act of tending to plants, feeling the soil between your fingers, and witnessing the miracle of growth can be incredibly grounding and therapeutic. It's a chance to escape the digital noise, breathe in the fresh air, and reconnect with the rhythms of nature, nourishing not just your body, but your soul. Chapter 7. Taste the difference. Rediscovering the joy of flavor. Let's be honest, nothing beats the taste of sun-ripened tomatoes still warm from the vine or the crisp bite of a freshly picked cucumber. Homegrown produce simply tastes better. It's bursting with flavor and freshness that you just can't replicate in store-bought options. Why? Because you're picking your fruits and vegetables at their peak ripeness, when they're at their most flavorful and nutritious. Plus, you can experiment with different varieties and cultivars that you won't find at your local supermarket, discovering a whole new world of taste sensations. Chapter 8. Planting Seeds of Knowledge. Gardening with the Next Generation. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a way to connect with loved ones and pass down valuable skills. Imagine the joy of getting your kids excited about digging in the dirt and planting seeds. Gardening teaches children about where their food comes from, patience, perseverance, and the interconnectedness of nature. It's a chance to create lasting memories and foster a love for the environment. So there you have it, 8 compelling reasons to start growing your own food today. From the health benefits and cost savings to the environmental impact and sheer joy of it all, gardening offers a wealth of rewards. Why not give it a try and see the benefits for yourself? Start small, experiment, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. You might be surprised at what you can grow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.